ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you
I've been trying to do this with the wire brush, but as you can see, it's really how do you say that, affected by the chrome. So I'm just going to use a flappy disc and really get it clean. Just take off all the chrome, whatever it is. This thing is steel, I think, aluminium. What is it? See, it's magnetic. It's not aluminium. Yeah, flappy disc, and then just give it a paint job. So we'll go back to that when I'm done with it in 1, 2, ta-da! That went pretty good actually. Floppy disk, steel wire brush. Yeah, I think I got it as best as I could. And just clean this up and give it a primer, I think. And then don't do the inside. See how it looks. So 2 coats of primer, and then I sanded it with some water sanding stuff shit, and trying to get away these dents, and I think it's ready for a top coat. It's really nice compared to what it was. So I may do a second coat and then do a clear coat over this. So the clocks are like matte, and this is more shiny, so I think that will be cool. Yeah, nice. So I've been working with the wire brush on my drill, and I've gone from something bad like this to this. So I'm just going to continue doing that all around this gauge. Done with the wire brush, cleaned it, and now let's give it a matte finish. So this is how it came out. It's pretty good. Just peel this off a bit. That's not too bad. Looks a lot better than it did. Oh, it came out pretty good. So I painted all the parts that were really crappy, like these. They look really nice now. This was a gloss finish, but for some reason the paint just don't know. It's drying up. A bit strange. I don't know why that is. But I think it's okay. It's a lot better than it was. So just gonna try and put all of this back together and make it look nice again.
Many months later.
Okay, so that's done. Now that looks a whole lot better than how it did. Yeah, pretty happy with that. I didn't do anything to the bucket of the headlight. I think this was enough work. Just check if the lights are still working. Nice. What else have we got? High beam. Yep. Okay, cool. So everything works and came up pretty good. Okay, so keep your eye on that, see if that moves. So we've got connection here. Yeah.